Florida Supreme Court ruled today that jurors in our state must unanimously agree to recommend the death penalty. Previously, the jury only needed a 10-2 majority. This decision will put many death penalty cases in limbo. Tonight, we're hearing from a local family whose loved one was murdered back in 2005. 3 of the 4 people charged in that crime were convicted, and they're awaiting execution. This family spoke with Channel 4's Francesca Amaker about what this court ruling could mean for their loved ones' convicted killers. Fran?
Now, Joy, I have to preface this and definitely tell you that this loved one is only speaking for herself. I mean, her family members feel different ways, but tonight she says that she actually forgives her family's killers. I actually speak with the sister of one of the victims, and she shares me just how she will feel if one of the 3 people convicted in her loved one's case decide to appeal the death penalty.
I have family members still traumatized. Their lives have totally been changed.
It's been 11 years since Reverend Jean Clark got that tragic call when the bodies of her brother, Reggie Sumner, and his wife, Carol, were found by authorities in Charlton County, Georgia. According to police, the couple sold a car to Tiffany Cole. She and 3 others kidnapped the couple, robbed them, and then buried them alive in a shallow grave. The group even taking this picture with the stolen cash in a limo. 3 of the 4 involved were convicted and sentenced to death. But after a decision from the Supreme Court Friday, that could be changing.
They're looking for new laws to get off on this. People get off on doing something in prison, death row, or whatever it may be.
The Florida Supreme Court ruled juries will now be required to be unanimous in recommending death sentences. And that has now opened up opportunity for those on death row to appeal their sentences because the ruling does not automatically commute those death sentences to life sentences.
Now, laws are put in order to keep order. And if we keep changing laws, people look at that and say, okay, they'll change the law and I'll go ahead and do what I want to do.
Reverend Clark says if the 3 people who killed her loved ones decide to appeal, it won't bother her because either way, they'll remain in prison and justice will be served.
2 innocent people that opened the home and that would have gave them the shirt off their back, let them stay in the house. He sold her a car and let her pay payment. To me, if you'll do that to innocent people who can't fight back, they both were sickly, they both have health issues, and then you tape them up, throw them in the back of a car, what else will you do?
And today, the Supreme Court did issue a statement saying that this new decision will allow jurors or force jurors to be more detailed and more thorough when it comes to making this decision. And as far as these 3 people that are involved in this case, there's no word on if they plan on appealing. We're now reporting live from Francesca Amaker, Channel 4, the local station.
So, Francesca, has the state attorney's office weighed in on whether this will affect their ability to press for the death penalty in the future cases?
Well, Joy, we actually checked in with them earlier today, and they did give us a statement. They said that the death penalty is still a viable option in the state of Florida. This has nothing to do with whether or not they plan to press for the death penalty. They're still going to press for the death penalty if they feel the case suits that. But when it comes to stopping them from pressing for it, this will have no effect at all, Joy.
All right. Francesca Amaker reporting live for us tonight. Fran, thanks.